Charging with Source is quick and simple. When you arrive at one of our hubs, park safely in an available charging bay and check the charger is ready to use. You may see one of two charger types at our hubs, and the screen layout may look slightly different, but the process is the same. First, plug the charging cable into your vehicle. Next, use the charger screen to choose how you'd like to pay. You can pay by credit or debit card, Apple Pay or Google Pay, RFID card, the Source Connect app, or through any of our roaming partners. Then just follow the instructions on screen. Once your payment is authorised, your charging session will begin. When you're ready to finish, follow the instructions on screen. Then unplug your vehicle, return the cable safely, and you're ready to go. And if you need help at any point, our customer support team is available 24/7.